Hi everyone, in this video, we will talk about the NatWest credit card. NatWest offers a variety of credit cards tailored to different financial needs. This is the NatWest credit card. Some of its key features are: first, no annual fee. Enjoy the benefits of the card without any yearly charges. Second, no foreign transaction fees. Make purchases abroad without incurring additional costs. Lastly is the balance transfer offer. Benefit from 0% interest on balance transfers for up to 18 months with 2.9% fee. Now, some of its pros are: first, cost-effective for international travelers due to the absence of foreign transaction fees. Next is attractive balance transfer option for those looking to manage existing debts. Now, some of its cons are: first, no rewards program attached to this card. Next is standard interest rates apply for promotional periods. In conclusion, NatWest credit card offerings cater to various financial preferences, from straightforward, no-fee cards to those with rewards and low interest rates. Prospective applicants should assess their spending habits and financial goals to select the most suitable card. It's also advisable to monitor credit limits and maintain communication with the bank to avoid unforeseen changes. And that's basically it.